Hello, this is Rajiv Ranjan. Uh, Several questions asked on Quora, YouTube, on different websites about new elective subject applied mathematics at senior secondary level. So now I'm going to solve all the questions and all students' query. Um, and this is very authentic documents circulated by CBSE and known as frequently asked question on senior secondary academic elective applied mathematics 241. So no need to have doubt on any question. There are hardly 7 or 10 questions. So we will discuss one by one. The first question, what is the difference between the subject of mathematics 041 and applied mathematics that is 241 at senior secondary level? The existing mathematics 041 for senior secondary is a course meant for students to pursue pure mathematics, physical science, engineering at university level. However, there are many students who want to learn mathematics which is useful for better performance in their selected subjects. Applied mathematics is meant for such students and the curriculum focuses on the application of mathematics. Second question, why will this lead to dilution of mathematics syllabus teaching at senior secondary level? No. The idea is to offer an option for those senior secondary students who wish to learn mathematics as per the requirements of their areas of study such as business, economics, finance, life sciences in future career in a different format. Third question, can a student opt for both mathematics 041 and applied mathematics? The clear answer by CBSE. No, there is only one option, either mathematics or applied mathematics. Fourth question, to continue mathematics as a subject for higher education, which course will a student need to pass? That is very serious question. So CBSE shared the right answer. Both courses have their own uniqueness. Students who want to opt for mathematics, physical science, engineering subject at the university level as an elective, or want to take admission in mathematics honors course or engineering and technology course may take mathematics 041. The applied mathematics course is designed to enhance the knowledge and skills of mathematics required to be successful in other different fields of their future career and may be selected by keeping this in mind. Fifth biggest question, if a student fails in mathematics 041 in the board examination, will the student be allowed to take up applied mathematics 241 or vice versa during compartment examination? Clear answer by CBSE. No, there are two different courses and one is not a substitute for the other. Sixth question, if a student has passed basic mathematics in grade 10, can he or she offer applied mathematics at senior secondary level? Yes. A student who has passed basic mathematics at senior secondary level can offer applied mathematics at senior secondary level. This option is now available due to introduction of applied mathematics. However, such a student cannot offer mathematics 041 at secondary level. Can a student who passed a standard mathematics in grade 10 offer applied mathematics at senior secondary level? Yes. A student who has passed standard mathematics in class 10 can also offer applied mathematics at senior secondary level. Is applied mathematics a skill subject or academic elective subject. This is because last year it was a skill subject. So CBSE cleared out and said the earlier skill subject by the same name, that is applied mathematics, will be discontinued from the academic session 2020-2021. Class 11 standard student under a skill education scheme of applied mathematics in the academic session 2019-20 will now be allowed to opt only for academic elective subject of applied mathematics in session 2020-2021. 9 question. What is the difference between earlier applied mathematics, that is 840, remember, as a skill subject, and this newly introduced applied mathematics 241 as an academic elective? The focus of any skill subject is on a particular job role. However, applied mathematics as an elective focus on mathematics as a discipline without a special emphasis on its application. Question number 10. I took applied mathematics 840 as a skill subject in grade 11. Now I am in grade 12. What happens now? All the students who have offered applied mathematics, that was 840 as a skill subject at class 11, can automatically offer it as an academic elective in class 12th. So now a skill subject will be converted automatically as academic elective subject. Now 11th question. I took applied mathematics 840 as a skill subject in class 11. Can I shift to applied mathematics 241 in class 12? Yes, if you have already opted the subject in class 11 during 1920. Question number 12. Can I apply for applied mathematics as a skill subject in class 11 in the 2020-2021 academic session? No. One will be able to offer applied mathematics as a skill subject in class 11 from academic session 2020-2021. How can I get the sample paper and question paper design of applied mathematics? That is, I think, probably last question. So sample paper and blueprint based on the curriculum for 2020-21 will be made available on www.cbseacademic.nic.in in due course of time. And I request all of you to go for authentic information which is delivered by CBSE time to time. As a good student, good parent, good teacher, we need to visit CBSE official website every time, every day for update knowledge. Thank you so much. And now I think that you are very clear about applied mathematics, that is 241. Thank you so much.